Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot contacts from marketing list removals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore HubSpot contacts from marketing list removals, first, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section in the main dashboard. Click on the lists option from the drop-down menu. Locate the marketing list from which you wish to restore contacts. Open the desired marketing list. In the list view, select Manage List at the top right corner. Choose Edit to modify the list settings. Scroll down to find the list of removed contacts. Review the contacts that you want to restore. Select the checkboxes next to each contact you wish to add back to the list. After selecting the contacts, click on Add to List action. From the pop-up, choose the marketing list you want to reinstate these contacts to. Confirm your selection to restore the contacts. Once completed, check your marketing list to ensure the contacts have been added back successfully. Repeat the process if you need to restore additional contacts from different lists. Always verify that the restored contacts have the correct properties and information. Now you have successfully restored HubSpot contacts from marketing list removals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.